My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Nuncatarde. In this video guide, you'll find out why exactly this particular ransomware is called like that and what it does with your files. Basically, this particular ransomware is not different from all other ransomware type threats. Before the ransomware affects the files, people can open them without any complications. But something bad happens after the ransomware attack. People soon realize that they cannot use their data anymore because the files almost immediately get encrypted, and this special Nuncatarde extension is added. So it is impossible to open these files anymore. The ransomware places this ransomware note mentioning that people need to pay the ransom for the file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, does not guarantee that the files will be restored. In fact, we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because in this case you may simply lose your money for nothing. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware, and we suggest you to do that with Combo Cleaner, which will help you to detect this ransomware very well and to delete it. To download Combo Cleaner, we suggest you to go to your system drive like C drive, program files, choose Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser in this case. Go to the page combocleaner.com and download Combo Cleaner installer. Using this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the application. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, three scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these two scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.